I love you. I won't use any of that.
Right. I can't sit here. There. Look at my face, I'm beet red. It's hot. And I just got done doing grocery shopping. We haven't been in several weeks. And so I needed to get some. So I ran to Cardenas, the Mexican store we were telling you about with the tortilla factory. And look, honey, I got some nice warm ones.
These aren't off the... Ooh, they're warm. That's cool. Did you buy a stack for you?
I thought we could share that one.
I gave you one or two.
Okay. Oh, so good. Yum, yum, yum. And I'm starving because I didn't get to eat before I left.
So, I have one question.
Oh, boy. What?
How much did you spend?
Goodbye.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Don't waste another mile or a minute not kissing me.
So now look at where that car is. Name dropping, Candice Kelly to the post office. Since they have their Class A and all they have is like a little motorcycle and stuff, they don't have a car or a truck to go run some errands. A lot of times Jason will just go on the bike, but I'm going to take Candice to the post office and wherever else she needs to go if she needs to run any other errands today.
So you girls are just going out gallivanting?
Maybe. Candice and I are going for a day of pampering together. Yes. Woo! Just kidding. We're going to do laundry. Oh, man. I know. We got our laundry in the back. Rats. Maybe we'll be rewarded And we can go do a day of pampering after this. At least get our toes done.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Yeah, right. So this is something that always amazes me about the Palm Springs area is look at the mountains. They're so close and there's so much snow up there, but yet down here it's still really warm. Well, right now it's chilly. The breeze is really chilly, but it can be really warm down here and still snow up on those mountains. Look how pretty. It'd be prettier if all the truck stuff wasn't in the way. Well, we are done at Laundroland. We finished all of our laundry. Look at that. Tom and Lori have a shit ton of clothes.
Starting
and
all
towels.
over.
Yep. Yep. So now what are we gonna go do?
Get some groceries.
Okay. Time for some food.
What are you doing?
I'm relaxing. I'm crocheting a baby blanket.
Relaxing.
Yeah. I took Candice and we both did our laundry together. And then I took her to the Walmart. First, actually, I took her to Cardina's because she had never been there. So I went and showed off that really cool little store.
Did she buy any tortillas?
No tortillas.
No tortillas for you.
She got some cookies and some oranges. She needed to get quarters for the laundry, so that's why we went there first for a few minutes. And then we went to do the laundry.
Okay.
And then after that, we went to the Walmart to get groceries. Just need to get some groceries. That way, Jason didn't have to go 5 times out on his motorcycle to go get groceries.
And what did you guys find?
What do you mean, what did we find? Oh, we found 2 lucky pennies. So we sent Jason to go get lottery tickets. Yep. So if either ticket wins, we'll share it. Yep. We're going to be millionaires.
The 2 of you will share it, right? Jason and I will be on the outside looking in.
Yeah. Candice and I are going to share it. Yeah.
Did you make me a snack?
No, I asked you and you didn't want any.
What is that?
It's apples with caramel. Mmm, yummy. You want your apples and peanut butter?
I suppose.
Oh, sure. Now that I'm all done and ready to eat mine, then you'll take it. Usually, it would be, I would sit down and you'd say, oh, I don't get anything. And I was like, I asked you and you said you didn't want anything.
Thank you guys for watching Throw Up Thursday. We appreciate it. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. We love having you as part of us.
Lucky you.
See ya!